This is an unedited video just to record some of the things going on with the coach. Thor has graciously agreed to take care of all the issues. When I first initially started this video, I had plans to get this taken care of at the dealership. However, after talking to the dealership and talking to Thor, it was best that I take the coach out to Indiana. Again, this is going to be unedited video, different pictures, just to see what's going on and just to be able to save this documentation. And it'll follow up and for now at Thor Service Center in Indiana, and then to be continued once I pick the coach up, which I expect it to be sometime in late winter, early spring. Right now is the end of the year. Just dropped the coach off late last week.
Hey, I wanted to take the time here to document something that's going on with our 2024 Thor Pasadena that we picked up at the end of June of 2024. It's now October the 5th, 2024, and this is for documentation only at this point anyhow. What's happening is we're starting to see some bubbling in the paint, only on, for now, only the areas that are fiberglass. So I'm going to try to zoom in and show what's going on. And basically it looks like I know it's a fiberglass issue and I just wasn't treated right, but most likely it's going to, not most likely, it absolutely is going to need not just scuffed up and repainted. It's going to have to go down and bare fiberglass and figure out what's going on and on the substrate, what's causing this. Right now, let me turn this around. It is the fiberglass cap, which again extends all the way up across here, down behind the doors, and also on the steps. Now I can show you here. Kind of pick that up. That's what you're seeing. Now that's one spot on the steps. The rest of the step doesn't look too bad. Going up across here again for now, doesn't look too bad. But once you get into this area here, I'm hoping the camera is going to pick this up. You're seeing all this bubbling across the entire front clip. Right there, matter of fact, the paint's already come up. Goes all the way out across the top here. Again, I'm hoping that this will pick it up. And if I had to guess, just on the front cap, there's got to be 150 to 200 areas where the paint's coming up. Get up here a little bit closer on this side, and you can absolutely see what's going on. So again, it's all the way out across the front, all the way up underneath, and for now it is only where there's fiberglass. You kind of see it there, already losing paint there, and it continues all the way out across here, up across this back where again it's fiberglass. Boom, 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 boom. And then for now, nothing out across the side of the coach on either side. We'll continue to watch this. And this all started within the last 2-3 days. I wash this thing before every trip and after every trip, and we had just gotten back from a trip a week ago. And then this is go out to get it cleaned up for this one and the next trip, and you can really see it here on the back. So I'm hoping again this is going to pick this up. Ignore the chainsaw. I got an idiot for a neighbor that decides he wants to tear down the forest, I guess. I don't know. anyhow, you can continue to see this. It's on every paint color, so I know it's not the paint, so it wouldn't be in every color. It wouldn't be because of the paint, it wouldn't be because of the gun. It simply, they're switching guns or cleaning the guns and obviously using different types of paint or different colors of paint, so that's not the case. So it's definitely something in the foundation, which in this case is going to be fiberglass. And I'm hoping you can see it up there, but it's really bad out across the entire back cap of the coach. Yeah, this color might kind of be hard to pick it up. I'll try to get in a little bit closer. And it's obviously soft, right? So if I push here, it just transfers that bubble, if you will, someplace else. Again, all the way across here, across there, across the bottom. You know, looks like my damn coach got chicken pox. I don't know. I've been painting cars a long time, been working on body shops for a long time, and this is most likely not a prep issue. It's a fiberglass issue. So either way, I'm sure Thor's going to make it right. That's I want to make sure that I have an opportunity to document it either way. As I mentioned, today's October the 5th. I want to show my phone here so there's documentation that I contacted. So this shows yesterday, and if you go down and you look, I called Thor at 3:43 p.m. when I first noticed it, and I was told to call the dealership, and then the dealership number is the 804 number, which is one of the representatives down in Ashland, Virginia with General. I've not heard back from General as of yet. Obviously that's late in the afternoon on Friday. Give them a little bit of time to get back to me. Hopefully they'll be able to work through this with Thor, and you know, at the end of the day, it's going to need a repaint, not the entire coach at this point, but everything is fiberglass. So definitely a steep price, and something that should be covered under warranty. I expect it will, but again, this is for documentation reasons only. I got an email that I also sent out to Thor Warranty Center. I haven't heard back from them, and that was even later in the day on Friday, so I expect to hear something from the dealership or from Thor themselves in the coming days. So continue to update. The expectations would be a repaint of a strip, complete strip, down to the base fiberglass of, for now, the steps, the side panel, if you will, and the front and rear caps. That's the expectations. So if I see another problem anywhere else, that'll be documented as well. But again, I have no reason to believe this won't be taken care of, even at a steep price that I'm guessing is going to be 5 figures. Whatever that is, I don't know. But I know to paint this whole thing, 30-40 grand, 20 at least. So you're probably looking at least 10 to paint that. Hoping I can get this done in at General in Ashland. I know they have a big paint booth. If not, there's local people that can do it as well. I prefer not to take it out to Indiana, but if I have to take it out to Indiana to Thor, you know, hey, I'll meet them halfway, right? I mean, I don't mean halfway to Indiana. They're going to take care of the coach by painting it and making the customer happy. I have no problem taking it out there. Don't want to, but I will. So again, thanks. Just a quick little clip here. I'm making my way out to Indiana, just south of Pittsburgh right now. Headed out there. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera or not, but boys, it's snowing, and that's the one of the drawbacks of going out to the manufacturers out in the Elkhart area when you're going to go in this time of the year, anytime from early December probably till end of March. You run this risk. So for now, the roads are just wet. But boy, it's coming down pretty good. So I'm hoping that by the time I get to the Ohio line, this stuff stops, because I'm stopping in Ohio for the night to be able to watch a football game and a hockey game, and I surely don't want to wake up tomorrow morning to a few inches of snow. So anyway, it is what it is. Can't control Mother Nature. Just an update now outside of Cleveland. Lake effect snows, I'm sure, but these roads are bad. This might have been a mistake. I probably should have waited till next weekend, but we'll keep pushing through. 20 mile an hour. Starting to clear up, but you get in these snow squalls and you get to the point where you can't see at all. So stay in a slow lane, keep my four ways on, turn my traction control on, and see what happens. Boy, what a difference a day makes. Sunny skies, not a cloud in the sky. Obviously no snow. Holiday traffic's definitely picked up. It's 10 o'clock in the morning on Sunday morning, and quite a bit of traffic out on the road for a Sunday morning. Everybody trying to get to families for Christmas, I guess. Should be pulling into Thor Service Center in another hour and a half, except I'm going to go find a truck and RV wash. It's an Elkhart and get this pig washed, because it's disgustingly dirty with all the salt and everything. I can't leave it like that. And then just going to hang out all day and then talk to the folks at the service center in the morning. Get this thing taken care of, get to the airport, fly home, and come back and see what's going on in about 8 weeks.